Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to eat an elephant. So I'm wearing my elf outfit today because it's elf day today. Why else would I be wearing an elf outfit? So my channel is about teaching, learning, tutorials and tech. So in this video I'm going to show you how do you eat an elephant. So some of my students, they come up to me, they feel overwhelmed and they say to me, "Sir, this is too much work, I can't handle it, or I've got too much going on. How can I get this right?" So I show them this elephant as a metaphor. So I'm going to do this quick video to explain the situation. So I say to them, "How do you eat an elephant?" And every single student that I ask this to, they're all surprised and they start thinking, "I don't know, what's that got to do with anything? How do you eat an elephant?" So I say to them, when you're feeling overwhelmed, all you've got to do is, instead of taking the whole project all at once, you don't have to, you do it bit by bit. And that's exactly how you eat an elephant. One bite at a time. One bite at a time. So then you divide everything, and if you do everything in small chunks, then you can complete the entire project. So that was just a quick video to show you how to eat an elephant. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed with life, with something in your course, teaching, learning, whether you're a student or a teacher, think of the elephant, and that's how you eat an elephant. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video.